Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the HandFan 40-ounce insulated stainless steel tumbler fan water bottle. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Okay, so as we get the box open here, find some components that we'll walk through. Fan on the top, obviously here, as you can see. Little protective case cover so that you can still kind of operate things, drink from, all that stuff. Handle. Simple concept, right? It's actually pretty clever. In here we'll find some additional parts and pieces. Go over. So you'll have your charging cable, looks like USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You'll obviously have your instruction manual here, kind of walk you through how parts and pieces work. And then we'll have a optional, if we don't want to use the fan, we have just a simple optional cover that can hook up with the straw as well. Still, and that just clips on. I believe this, well, we got to figure that out. That should do a little something. Not sure. I think that's to let it breathe, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to read the instructions on that personally. All right, so I can't find any other solution other than that. It just keeps it from cracking. So it might just be a rubberized base there to keep it in good shape. So going back to the fan, USB-C charging port there. It says it takes about 3.5 hours to get fully charged, so just be aware of that. As mentioned, that's one option for drinking with a straw. As far as the fan, I want to point out something. The power's up here. It has multiple speed levels, but there's a quick cool close. So like I'm going to have it on, and if I just close it, it automatically goes off. Open it back up, and it's right back on. And it actually cycles pretty nicely. The air is pretty solid. I'm not going to pretend it's like the most amazing fan in the world, but it immediately kind of can brush some stuff around. So it does a really good job being quiet. And again, at the end of the day, it's a clever concept to keep an all-in-one. So you've got 24 ounces here to keep things cold. A very good, easy to latch on cover. And then this is just a cap to keep it all kind of, once we close that back up, keep it all kind of, well, that's not going in as easy as I would have liked. There we go. Keep it all closed up. You can still drink when that's all latched up. So again, it's going to be a side suck drink. It's not going to be from the top, the straw. So just be aware of that. And if you prefer, again, you can just take this one, and this will be just a simple, drink capability, or you can use this to just suck from the straw, or you can actually pour it and drink through that. So a lot of flexibility, very cool capabilities here. I'm honestly getting it primarily for the fan capabilities because I sit on a bench a lot of times watching softball or coaching softball, and on a 90-degree day, having a cold drink and a fan all in one just makes it a lot easier to transport stuff. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.